determine where the function is concave upward and where it is concave downward. So the function is negative x squared plus 2x plus 2. Concavity, concave up, concave down, is related to second derivative. So let's find the second derivative of this function. So the first derivative is a negative x squared is 2x, so negative 2x plus derivative of 2x is just 2 plus derivative of 2 is 0. That's first derivative. And second derivative, negative 2x, derivative of negative 2x is negative 2 plus derivative of 2 is 0. So second derivative is negative 2. And when we set this 0, we will get negative 2 equals 0, which is false. So we are in the situation where we don't have any inflection points from here. Okay, this is a polynomial. Polynomial means we need to look at all real numbers, negative infinity through infinity, and there is no x value where the concavity might change, because we got false information. So we need to check the whole interval. So pick anything here, I don't know, maybe 1 or any number, doesn't matter, 0, negative 5, plug that into second derivative here. Okay, second derivative, but there is nothing to plug in because second derivative is already negative. So second derivative is just negative. That means the function is concave down, in fact downward throughout. Okay, and it's not concave up. So concave upward on nowhere, because it's concave down, nowhere, that means maybe none, or D and E, and concave downward, negative infinity through positive infinity. By the way, this is it, but you don't have to even do this work, because after we find second derivative, let me show you alternative way. We saw first derivative, that's negative 2x plus 2. Okay, and find second derivative, which is negative 2, and this is independent of x. I mean, there is no x involved here. That means second derivative is negative all the time for any x. So second derivative is negative all the time means the domain of this is all real numbers, and second derivative is negative everywhere means concave downward throughout. And that's what we wrote here, concave down on downward on negative infinity through positive infinity, concave up D and E. There is no interval where it's concave up. Final.